to put text behind a moving object in Adobe Premiere. Here's how it's done. Move up to the Object Mask tool, click it, move down to the clip we want to mask, click on it to select it, then move up to the monitor and hover over the part that you want to mask. In this case it's the skater, click on that to select it. We also want the skateboard too, so click that too. That adds both objects to the one mask, which is up here in Effect Controls. Hit this icon here. It will then scan through the clip, tracking the motion to create a moving mask. Once that's done, select your clip, then press Alt and drag to create a duplicate footage clip above the text layer. Then select that duplicate clip, move up to Effect Controls, grab the mask and simply drag it underneath the opacity. And if we open up the opacity now, we can see the mask underneath it, and that's basically it. Let's play that back. Hope that helped. See ya.